Gentlemen, first of all, I would like to thank you all for coming this morning to the launch of the 3rd Annual Vietnam Provincial Governance and Public Administration Performance Index report. PAPI is a pioneering initiative that has become the largest time series national governance and public administration performance monitoring tool in Vietnam, exclusively based on citizens' experiences. Over the past years, PAPI has captured and reflected the experience of nearly 50,000 citizens, and these annual nationwide iterations of PAPI provide real-time data and information on the implementation of complex yet very important governance and public administration processes as Vietnamese citizens experience them. In 2013 alone, a total of 13,892 citizens participated in the survey. This is a major achievement in itself for PAPI, which is providing an unparalleled wealth of data and evidence for policymakers to monitor implementation and, when necessary, redesign policies and interventions at central and provincial levels to improve governance. I would, however, like to stress that the purpose of PAPI is not naming and shaming, but to help improve the quality of governance and public accountability to the citizens. Therefore, it is very encouraging to see that PAPI is catalyzing actions for improving provincial level governance. For instance, more than 22 provinces have prepared action plans to improve on issues identified by PAPI. And in 2013 alone, 9 provincial governments, including Binh Dinh, Binh Thuan, Cà Mau, Dak Lak, Dak Nong, Dok Thap Kon Tum, Quang Nai, and Thai Nguyen, adopted specific proposals to address the weaknesses reflected in the PAPI survey. In addition, the Ho Chi Minh Academy of Politics and Public Administration has undertaken several initiatives based on annual PAPI results to strengthen responsive public administration in Vietnam. The Academy has undertaken extensive comparative research in 15 provinces to better understand factors influencing performance at provincial level, and has recently conducted action research in 3 provinces. PAPI is also now focus of a regular lecture in the Academy's high-level leadership training program for current and future party and provincial leaders. Ladies and gentlemen, each year, PAPI Report includes a special feature that contains a new angle in analyzing the data. This year, it examines differences of citizens' experiences in the quality of governance and public administration within the same province. The report shows that quality of services is uneven not only across but also within provinces. Women, poor, and ethnic minorities consistently evaluate the quality of public services lower than fellow citizens even within the same provinces and within even the same district. From PAPI's 6 dimensions, public administrative procedures and public service delivery show more consistency in citizen satisfaction across the board. But in contrast, the data shows that corrupt practices disproportionately affect the poor and the disadvantaged, and the rating is quite low. This warrants a higher level policy attention to the needs of these vulnerable groups and to inquire the factors, the real root causes behind these differences in the level of satisfaction, not just across provinces, but even within the provinces and even within the districts. Over the past year, PAPI has continued to attract international attention as an innovative social audit and accountability tool. Participatory monitoring for accountability is emerging as a central theme in the global post-2015 debates. People-led monitoring and accountability are poised to become key features of the new post-2015 Global Development Agenda as a means of both empowering the people as well as advocating for their priorities in development processes, and to hold providers of services to account for delivery and performance of their services. PAPI demonstrates the critical importance of citizens articulating their priorities and influencing policies that affect their lives. I would like to close by expressing our appreciation to the generous support of the Swiss Development Cooperation Agency to the PAPI initiatives over the years, and would like to thank all the partners who are engaged in the process of the PAPI initiatives. Today's launch is a culmination of several months of intensive fieldwork in more than 800 villages across 207 districts. But this is just the beginning of a new cycle of policy dialogue, which is based on evidence, both at central and the provincial level, and to discuss the needs and aspirations of all Vietnamese and to improve policy implementation, which is again based on evidence. I thank you all for your attention and look forward to the presentation of the report. Thank you very much.